What's up, navigators? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany Day, and this is Navigating YouTube, where I help content creators like you grow on YouTube with simple strategies that work. So let's just get right into the topics of gaining your first 100 YouTube subscribers. So I know you probably heard this before, but the first thing you need to do is figure out your niche and your target audience. So your niche is going to cover what your channel is about and what videos you'll be talking about. So for example, you'll have like college life, motherhood, cooking, arts and crafts, things like that. So your target audience is the people that you want watching your channel. You want to think about what their gender is, their age group, what problems do they face, and how can you help them with their problems, and that's a big one. So for example, if you're a food channel, that's your niche. Your target audience is going to be millennial women who are on a budget but still want to eat healthy. That's the problem that you're going to fix. So your videos would be like healthy meals under $5 or eat for a week for $25. Let me know in the comments below if that makes sense to you, what your target niche is and your target audience. So the second thing you need to do when gaining your first 100 YouTube subscribers is to plan out your content strategy based on your niche and your target audience. So content strategy is like a blueprint to the videos on your channel so you never feel lost or run out of upload ideas. Also, when creating this, your videos should definitely feel like they flow, so it's easier for your viewers to want to binge watch your channel. So for example, if you're a lifestyle vlogger, you probably want to do something like a journey. Think of reality shows. When you watch their shows, each season has like an overall premise and each episode kind of flows together to talk about that overall premise. Also, make sure to have a few videos on hand before you start uploading. So this way you can be more consistent. You don't have to upload daily when you first start, but you do want to upload at least 1 to 2 times a week. So having a little bit of a cushion with videos planned out is a great place to start. Okay, so tip number 3 definitely goes hand in hand with tip number 2, and that's to create searchable content as long as you can. So for so many channels, especially lifestyle vloggers, I see a lot of them start with like a hey, welcome to my channel, or a get to know me, and those are great, but when you're just starting out, you don't have an audience. And to tell you the truth, this is gonna sound so mean, but it's honest. Nobody cares who you are unless they know what you can do for them. So it's really important you start with things that are searchable. So for me personally, I now use TubeBuddy and Morning Fame to research keywords to see what people are searching and how I can make content to help that. The key is finding a topic that is highly searched in your niche that no one's really making videos on, that the competition is low on. So this way you will rank in search, so when people look for something like how to walk a dog, your video will be one of the first ones to pop up. Also, as a bonus little tip, make sure you're getting straight to the point in your videos. Cut those long intros, cut those animated things. Again, no one really cares until you start to grow your audience bigger, and then you can work on visual branding. Okay, so tip number 4 is to engage with your new audience and others in your niche. So I see so many people post videos and then their comment section, they'll have comments, but they don't have replies. And I'm like, what are you doing? You should continue to reply to all comments until you reach a point where that's not possible. Like you get 1,000 comments a day, not possible. Also, make sure you're engaging with others in your niche. So like if there's another content creator who does similar things to you, make sure to go into their video, leave genuine comments, and engage with them and other comments on their videos as well. Now, this does not mean to leave comments like, oh, I love your channel, I have a channel too, or let's be friends type things. Those will definitely get you blocked from that channel. And you also don't want to steal creators' audiences. So avoid going down into their comments on other people and say, hey, I also made a video on this topic, or hey, I'm also a YouTuber. You want it to be genuine. Best way I find is if I can answer a question that maybe the creator didn't answer and an audience member is asking, I'll answer that question and I most likely will get a subscriber from them. Which brings me to number 5. So tip number 5 is setting up your channel for success. So again, if I'm interacting with people on other people's channels and I don't have a profile picture, they're probably not going to click on my video because they don't think I'm a content creator. So you want to make sure you have a really professional front facing, they can see your face, or anything in your niche. So if you're a cooking channel, you can do like food, or if you're into cars or a video game character, whatever fits your niche, make sure that's your profile picture and that is professional. Also, if a person clicks on your profile picture and then your channel just seems really random, or you don't have a banner, or there's like a long gaps in when you post, they're probably not going to subscribe either. So make sure your banner fits your niche, it says what you do and how often you upload, and this is why it's so important to post regularly. if you've gone more than 2 weeks without posting, the likelihood that someone's gonna subscribe to your channel is very minimal. So make sure that you have your content on your homepage and that it's updated regularly as often as you post. So if you say you post every Monday and Wednesday, they better see 2 videos a week on that homepage. Okay, so we got our 100 subscribers. What do we do now? The first thing you wanna do is celebrate. I am tired of people saying, oh, I know this is small, but no, it's not small, it's huge. You did something that a lot of people are too scared to do, and it's a lot of work, you guys. So make sure you are celebrating all the milestones. The second thing you wanna do is make sure you're taking advantage of your new perks. So set your custom URL, but definitely don't feel pressured to do any type of giveaway if that's not in your budget. You don't need to go broke growing your YouTube channel. All right, and the last thing is to create more content with new strategy. So many people stop thinking about new strategy as they grow their channels, but you definitely want to continue to grow with your channel. So make sure you're going into your analytics, see what worked for you in your first month and where a majority of your subscribers, watch time, and engagement is coming from, and build a content strategy around those videos that worked. If you have videos that were just dead and did not work for you, don't continue to make videos on those topics. They're not going anywhere. But let me know in the comments below when you started your channel or plan to start your channel and what you'll do to celebrate your first 100 YouTube subscribers. And for more simple strategies on how to grow on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button with the bell notifications turned on so you don't miss any new videos. And you can watch my 5 things I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel here. Now get out there, make some content, and let's grow together.